If you only had 1 year to fix your finances, where would you start? History already has the answer. These are the money moves that quietly separate people who build real wealth from people who stay stuck. Today we are counting down 10 money moves that never fail. Number 1. Raise your own price. Most people go years without asking for more, whether that is a raise, a higher rate for their work, or a better return on their savings. Money rewards people who ask. If your income has stayed flat while prices around you keep climbing, you're already losing ground every single year. Number 2. Stop trying to master every investment. The person who deeply understands one type of asset, whether that is index funds, real estate, or a single business, usually beats the person who spreads thin attention across 10 different trends. Specialists spot opportunities that generalists miss completely. But here is the part most beginners get wrong. They think diversification means doing a little bit of everything with no real understanding of any of it. That is not diversification, that is confusion wearing a nicer name. Number 3. Build income that arrives without a phone call. A paycheck stops the moment you stop working. Dividends, rental income, and interest keep arriving whether you show up or not. This single shift from trading hours for dollars to owning assets that pay you is the real starting line of financial freedom. Number 4. Protect your time before you protect your money. Every year spent chasing a hot stock tip or comparing prices on small purchases is an hour not spent building skills or researching real opportunities. Wealthy people guard their attention the same way they guard their bank account. Number 5. Automate before you optimize. A messy budget with automatic transfers beats a perfect plan you never follow. Money moves on autopilot while willpower runs out by Thursday. Number 6. Double down on what is already working. If one saving habit, one side income, or one investment keeps outperforming the rest of your plan, resist the urge to fix what is not broken. Following results instead of ego is how real wealth compounds. Number 7. Make quitting expensive. Every year you stay invested instead of panic selling. Every year you keep contributing instead of pausing. Compounding rewards you a little more. The investors who win are rarely the smartest, they are simply the ones who made staying in the market the easiest choice. Number 8. Build a bigger tier for your future self. Just like airlines profit most from a handful of first-class seats, your future wealth depends disproportionately on the extra 10% you invest beyond the minimum. That small premium contribution, made consistently, often outgrows everything else combined. But the surprising part is none of this works without the final move. Number 9, and the one that changes everything, build a financial life that does not need you to check it every day. The healthiest portfolios are boring. They run on systems, not emotion, and they grow strongest when you resist the urge to constantly interfere. Every wealthy life is built on a handful of decisions that keep paying you back long after the decision itself is forgotten.